Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I had a question from Paul on the channel and I figured it's easier just to film a video on how to actually do this. So we're gonna show you how to change and reset your custom settings on your Fuji X-T4 camera. Now this will work for a lot of other Fuji cameras. The newer ones, especially X-T3, XV100, the menu systems will be basically identical, so you can kind of follow along and look on there. So why would you first, I guess, want to change your custom settings? This is super handy if you are working and using different film simulation recipes. You can save up to 7 on the Fuji X-T4 and they're easily accessible on the Q menu, and you can save your presets with your different recipes. But you might want to try different ones because there is only 7. And there's a ton of different film recipes to try out. So you probably want to delete and change some of your existing settings. So I'll show you the best way to do it is to start from scratch and reset your settings each time you want to put on a new film simulation recipe. So let's show you how to do that. We'll jump into the menu right now. All right, here we go. This is the Fuji X-T4. We're gonna hit the menu OK button. There's a couple ways to do this, so we'll show you two ways. You want to go into the IQ setting and scroll down to the very last page, page number 3, and you're going to see a section that says Edit, Save, Custom Settings. You hit menu OK, and these are going to give you all your settings that you have saved up. I have a custom one, I've already reset this one, and I do have a few film simulations set up. So let's get rid of the Cinestill. So you want to select the one you want to reset. You hit menu OK, then you scroll down to reset. It's going to ask you to confirm. You hit OK, and then when you go back, now it's set and it's completely reset. So when you go in now, you can actually go in, you can edit the custom name. You can go, if you keep going back and you do any changes to this, if you set up your new film simulation recipe, then you can go back in and select it and save your current settings as custom 6. So that's how you would reset it and save it using the menu system. There's another way to quickly do this as well. If you press the Q button, the menu will come up as well. But if you do press and hold the Q button down, it's gonna actually jump you back into that same menu. So you can actually go in again, and let's get rid of 400H this time. We're gonna hit reset and reset. So a little bit quicker to access it through the Q menu, but that is how you edit and reset your custom settings on your Fuji X-T4. All right, that is how you reset your custom settings on your Fuji X-T4 or any other Fuji camera. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did find it useful, as always, hit the thumbs up button. Lets me know that you liked the video. If you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I share regular Fuji camera tips, tricks, film recipes on this channel, so it's always great to have you along. Hit the subscribe button if you aren't already. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Paul, great question. And hopefully you found this video useful. See you in the next one.